Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the page orientation in Microsoft Word. First, make sure your Word document is open. Now let's say you want to switch it to landscape to make it wider. Go to the top menu bar and click on the Layout tab. Once you are there, look for the option called Orientation. Click on Orientation and you will see two options, Portrait and Landscape. Go ahead and click on Landscape. You will immediately notice your document has now changed to landscape orientation. It's wider and perfect for wider content. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps. Go to the layout, click orientation and select portrait. Your page will return onto the default vertical view. Once you are happy with your orientation, don't forget to save your document. And that's it. You have just learned how to easily switch between portrait and landscape orientation in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for more quick Word tutorials. Thank you.